Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ocean County, southeastern Mercer County, northeastern Burlington County, Monmouth County, southern Middlesex County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sayreville to near Clarksburg to Lumberton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long
Whoa, okay, so the storm near NYC's fire again, so an SVR might be needed for the NYC Metro, but I'm not really confident, but I mean, you never know.
This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 9, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 34, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 53 and 58, Garden State Parkway between mile markers 78 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.